guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to auto land any plane. First, press continue and start flying. Wait, and then you choose. The best ones for auto land are medium haul, and I'm just going to choose 737 and Southwest Airlines. Then you press create flight plan. This part is one of the parts that's most important for autoland. First, you select to where you want to go. If you go to Flightline Discord and then to flight resources, there is I think it was ERC high or ERC low, which is the flight plans for where all the waypoints are. So I'm just going to select Kaiser, and then you have to press this approach button and set the runway. I can see that the closest one is this runway, which is JSL 22. Press it, and then I have to lower this to exactly 900 feet. Or you can get it even lower, but I don't want to. Then here you just make it 1,000 feet. Set that to 250, and this you have to delete, and you have to search. For the 737, it's 155 knots. Then you press execute. You have to know where it is. So for me, I'm just going to spawn here and show you the easy way. I'm going to spawn at gate 11. Hope I don't flip over because of the new glitch. I guess I'm okay. So I can just push back, start the engines. Okay, the engines are getting started. I guess everything's okay. Let me turn on the taxi lights. Get the flight director on. Get some flaps for taxi. And I guess I can start taxiing to the runway.
20 minutes later.
Okay, as you can see, we're now lined up with the runway. And for takeoff, we have to get flaps set to full, turn off taxi lights, turn on navigation, and turn on landing lights. And then press Q for full power. And stay aligned with the runway. And go up like about 12 degrees when you can take off. Okay, ready? Now after you take off and you keep like 12 degrees, you will have to turn on autopilot, which you press auto throttle and then autopilot. Okay, and now this will be taking us to Kaiser down here. As you can see, you can turn off landing lights, get flaps retracted, and get landing gear up. This is all perfectly fine. It is currently going up to 1,000 feet. Okay, now we're at 1,000 feet. And now I think it is starting. Okay, we're 3 kilometers from Kaiser. Once you see that everything turns on here, you have to click navigate flight plan and autopilot, and then you have to get landing gear down, but keep auto throttle on. Then you have to get aligned with the runway, and you also have to get some flaps.
1,000.
Okay. As you can see, this line is guiding us to the runway.
500. 400. 300.
Okay. As you can see, I am now aligned with the runway, turning on navigate flight plan and autopilot, getting flaps set to full, turning on landing lights, and turning off navigation. As you can see, the runway is only 6 kilometers away. And we should be landing soon. We have to wait, and this should, okay? Now we're getting near the runway because the altitude is getting managed itself. And then heading should get managed soon. Okay? So when you see approach managed and approach managed on heading and altitude, you're ready for autoland. Once you're close to the floor, have to set vertical speed to 0 and turn off auto throttle. As you can see, it's currently getting aligned with the runway. It's going down.
400.
I'm getting auto throttle off. Getting ready to set this to 0. Ignore that mid-air collision. 0 vertical speed.
200.
Okay. The plane is currently gonna softly land at the runway.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, we've landed. Then you have to press R, hold S, and then autopilot should keep the center line. Press autopilot like this. Okay, turning off autopilot, and I have to get aligned with the runway. And you also have to hold B. And as you can see, we have stopped on the runway. I have not done I haven't done anything to land the plane. It just landed itself. So now I can get spoilers back. I can get some flaps. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.